Hey everyone, my name is Lacey and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 Thanksgiving crafts, and what inspired this was here in Canada, Thanksgiving has already been over for a while, and for those of us who still want to celebrate USA Thanksgiving, we might not have access to Thanksgiving decorations. So I was inspired to try to make some decorations of my own. I did this last year as well, especially because I didn't think of this last year. Like, I didn't think about the fact that the decorations would already be gone by now. So when it came to time to decorate for Thanksgiving, I was really out of luck because I couldn't find anything. And also, I just love any idea, as you guys know, that is affordable but still creative. So I can't wait to show you guys. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe, and let's get started.
So my first craft that I decided to do was to make a sign for my door. I hadn't found any good signs that I liked before Thanksgiving was over, and I still couldn't, like, with the clearance and everything, so I really just wanted to make one for myself. I couldn't find any blank signs at Michael's. I don't know if ours just don't have them, or maybe I just wasn't looking in the right place, but I did find this one in the clearance, which was less than $2.50. So I thought, well, it's perfect really because I can just paint over it. And also, getting something that's really cheap, you don't feel as much pressure. If I mess it up, well, it was only $2.50. So I decided to start out by putting some modeling paste on it. It's kind of like gesso, maybe a little bit thicker, and this really helped because the sign was kind of slick, and so it kind of gave it some texture, and that helped me be able to paint it. Also, I feel that by doing this, it kind of helps not use so many coats of regular paint because you can just do a couple of coats of this thick paint. So now I am going to put on some music, and I'm going to let you guys watch this, and I will talk to you in the next craft.
Baby, I've been thinking about ya and all the things you said that other night. I can't get you off my mind. You're giving me a glimpse of something that I can't get enough of. What are you doing tonight? Is it a bad thing that I wanna know how it feels to hold you in my arms? Because every time you look in my eyes, the feeling starts. Just you and me is what it should be. You're giving me butterflies. My heart skips a beat when you're with me. Suddenly I'm paralyzed. I just get this crazy feeling looking into your eyes. Just you and me is what it should be. You're feeling these butterflies. Somehow you find a way inside my head. I think back on all the stupid things I said, but you have this effect on me, and if we're being honest here, there's no need to pretend.
So now I am going to make some turkey napkin rings, and I was super excited to make some of these. I always wanted some, so it's kind of nice to just be able to make it yourself. And I used some felt. I got this at the Dollarama. It was perfect for what I needed. I used this napkin and 2 pens to measure out what it would be like to put a napkin and fork a knife in there. So I did that, and then I cut it and glued it with some hot glue. Next, I used a pen to draw 2 little circles, which would be the turkey's body, and then I cut it out. Here I'm just showing some ribbon that I bought to make the feathers of the turkey. I bought a variety of different colors, textures, and sizes because I thought that would make it more interesting.
To the night that we first met, your eyes on mine, I bite my lip. I knew that this was it. This was it.
I then took some of the ribbon and kind of measured how big I thought I would need it, and then after I cut that, I used that piece to measure out the rest of the ribbon as well. Once I was done cutting, I just hot glued the ends together and then I hot glued them to the turkey. You're going to want to do this before you hot glue it onto the ring, but once you're done gluing all the pieces on, then glue the ring on at the end. Now you can make the face however you would like it to look. I just used plastic eyes for this, and the original, I actually found this idea on Pinterest, but it had no link. It was just an image, so I'm just going to show the image to you guys. I thought it would be cuter with a beak. They didn't give theirs a beak, so you guys can choose however you want to make the face. My last idea is the most simple idea. I wanted to give at least one simple idea because I know this is a busy time of year. Some of us don't have a lot of time. So I literally just got this picture frame from the Dollarama. I think it was $4, and I opened it and then I took this out. You guys can see my reflection in the glass, so I apologize for that, but I printed out this free printable that I found on Pinterest, and I'm actually going to link quite a few links below that I found for free Thanksgiving printables. I picked this one, but you guys can pick whatever you want. You don't even have to pick one of these, but a lot of these, once you click on them, they have a whole list of free printables, so I hope you guys can find something that you like. And then I just added a little tape. The tape was really helpful to hold it in there because it did slide otherwise. This is kind of a 3D-esque picture frame, but you guys are welcome obviously to get any picture frame you want. I also think it would be cute to use chalk paint to distress the picture frame or add some felt leaves or stickers or something like that. I didn't do that this time, but I wouldn't be opposed to it in the future. So if you guys do try this craft, you guys should tag me on social media. All my social media accounts are down below, and I would love to see what you guys come up with.
Hey everyone, thank you for making it to the end of my videos. I had so much fun making these Thanksgiving Day crafts with all of you, so I hope that you guys enjoyed the video as well. I'm actually not going to show you my end products. I feel like you got to see them. I'm actually instead going to show like what they look like in my house and kind of like a little slideshow of them and my other decorations. I did some DIY decorations last year. I actually can't show you the video because there is no video. It was before I made my YouTube channel, and yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy seeing all of those, and I am so excited for my next video as well. I'm just gonna give you guys a little spoiler alert. It is an advent calendar, and you guys might not know this, but part of me really wants to get my videos out early because I want you guys to have it for the month of. But the problem is I don't like celebrating holidays or seasons early because I feel like it's kind of wishing away the one that's here. So by showing you Christmas, I feel like it's just wishing away Thanksgiving, and I really don't want to feel like I'm hurrying through my life or hurrying through the holidays. I want to appreciate whatever holiday or season or whatever is here, what the day that it is. But since it is an advent calendar, you kind of need it before Christmas, and I understand this, like you need gift ideas before Christmas and everything. I'm doing this one early because I'm going to send one to my mom. My idea is to make, well, I'm going to tell you guys all about it in the advent calendar video, but anyway, I'm just really excited to be able to do that for you, and I'm actually going to be recording that video today, and I hope to have both of these videos out to you guys soon. So of course, as always, if you liked my video, please like and subscribe. This really helps me be able to expand my channel, and guess what, you guys, we are almost to 100 subscribers. I like seriously never thought that would ever happen to me. And I've been so thankful, talking about Thanksgiving and what we're thankful for. I'm so thankful for you guys and for my channel. It's really helped me through some hard times and really gives me a sense of purpose. I hope to be here for you guys for years to come, and I would love to know what you guys are thankful for. So you guys should leave that in the comments, and if you've made it this far, you should put an emoji in the comments. Let's put a chicken leg emoji. I think that'll be cute for like Thanksgiving. So I hope that you guys like this video, and I hope to see you in the next video as well. So yeah, I guess that's all. I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving, and I will see you then. Bye.